Today we're gonna make a cold noodle dish. This one will require a longer preparation time. This is not gonna be a 20 minutes thing. And let's start with the ingredients. Cucumber, garlic, onion, egg, cilantro, scallion, vermicelli, sesame oil, mushroom veggie stir-fry sauce, apple vinegar, and low sodium soy sauce. And we'll get started to prepare this entree. So we prepare water. It doesn't matter if it's hot water, cold water. We usually use warm water, and we pour the water until it gets to the top. So we already put 2 baths soaking already. When it's done, like you see here, this is now it's still soaking. When it's done, it become very soft. It'll get ready. So if you lift it up, it will be like very long, and then we need to cut it in a half to make it shorter. I mean, it's up to your preference. You don't have to cut it, but I think we usually cut it to make it shorter. Now we're gonna prepare the onion. We're gonna cut it into slices. Like into thin slices for the onions, very thin slice. Next, we'll get some garlic. Again, take off the skin, the end of the wood. We crush the garlic, so this way will easy to peel off the skin. And now we are prepared to cut into small little tiny pieces. There's no specific shape, we just like make it into tiny pieces. And again, the amount of garlic is all depends on personal preference. Since we like garlic, we should put a lot of it. Okay, next we're gonna add some ginger. Again, it's also like personal preference. You don't have to add. It's an optional. But we'll add a little bit. Next, we're gonna make eggs. A scrambled egg, and we'll use 4 eggs. We'll add some salt on it, white pepper, mix it together. The egg is ready to be cooked. Set up to high. And we pour half of the scrambled egg. Right now we try to make like a pancake style, spread out without mixing anything. And now we try to flip it. And cook the other side. This one is ready, and we put on a plate first till it get cooler. Now the egg is cooled down. We prepare to chop it into pieces. So we're chopping like a noodle string shape. Next, we will do the cucumber. We chop off the head and bottom to slices. We prepare scallion. We'll chop it into small pieces. Next, we do the same for cilantro. Chop into small pieces. Now we set the pan to medium and pour some oil. Add garlic, ginger, and onion. We'll leave some onion on the side. And let's cook it. Now we're gonna add the mushroom vegetable flavor sauce. You can, if you cannot find this sauce, you can also replace it as the oyster sauce. Now we are adding some soy sauce. Again, this is low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna add some water. Now this is ready. After it's boiled, it's ready, and then we turn it off the stove. I would say this sauce is kind of like 2 rice bowl amount of sauce that we're gonna mix into the vermicelli noodle with egg and cucumber. That's what we're gonna prepare for. Okay, now we cook the clear noodle. We'll add some oil, some garlic. And we prepare for the side just a little bit, and we still have raw onions too, and we still have like 1/2 leftover raw. We put the noodle on the top. We also add a little bit more of the veggie mushroom sauce or oyster sauce, whichever you prefer. Some soy sauce. Add some water. And we'll add some chicken powder. Continue mixing it. Just turn off the stove and it's ready. "30 minutes later, everything is cooled off, including the clear noodle, eggs, and now we are ready to mix them all together. First, we add sesame oil to the original sauce. It'll get you more flavor, like sesame flavor. Next, we have apple vinegar and add on the existing sauce. We add a lot because we can handle sour. So up to preference. If you cannot handle sour or worry about stomach acid, then you can add less. Next thing, we're gonna put the egg on the cucumber, and we are trying to separate the onion and put them on top of the eggs. Now we're gonna put the clear noodle on it. Basically, you're kind of stacking up on each other. It's very simple. The scallion and cilantro. Spread it evenly. Pour in the sauce. And mix them together. That is the final piece. And now this is ready to serve. And there's a little bit ginger left over. Basically, when you scoop it, not everyone will like the spicy level. The spicy level for each person will be different. So you add based on the amount you want on your bowl and eat it. It's super tasty. It has the ginger, not ginger, the vinegar, scallion, cilantro mixed together. Good aroma flavor with raw garlic. I add some. And it's not salty at all. I feel like this is very good for summer dishes when it's temperature high rise like 90. You eat this as a very refreshing. Keep in mind, I'm a meat lover. Sometimes every now and then to eat this, they don't feel greasy. It feels like make your temperature a little bit cool. I can eat a lot with this without any meat at all. It's just the aroma, the spice on it is enough flavor for the whole entire thing. I would definitely enjoy a lot in the summertime. Feel like eating a salad, like in a Asian style version salad. Mmm. Very good. You should try and make this at home. And I think that's it for today, for the entree. And I'll see you the next video. Bye bye.